It's Friday, time to go crazy, dim the lights a bit, break out the vodka, call all your friends over. I have tons of friends. Hey man, yeah, what's up? Yeah, who am I? It's me, your friend. No? I suck? Whip out your cocks, it's restricted. Don't you hate going to funerals and you just go up to the open casket and all you see is just bare ass where the face used to be? Just two round butt cheeks just looking at you. Well, this next video is completely different to what I just said.
And my brothers, I heard David said just the other day, oh, if I had wings like this dove, for then will I fly away and be at rest.
Ooh. Funerals like this, I would love to go to. Everyone's all depressed, and then a random event happens like this.
But then will I fly away and be at rest.
This is fucking awesome! 20 out of 10. Don't you think he's holding the bird a little too hard? That ain't football.
The kick is up. It's got the leg. And we're headed for overtime.
I like when the bird fell down dead.
And be at rest.
It made my balls feel good when the thirst hits. Why? I bet if he whipped his dick out, she'll probably go, the fuck? I'm a respected woman of society. Oh my god, you're nasty. Now the comments on this is so funny. That hoe looks musty as hell. Dry humping is so old. Dry blowjobs are cool. That bitch would suck the skin off of her dick. Thank you guys for watching Restricted. Don't forget to stalk me on Facebook and Twitter. I'll leave those in the description area below. Now to leave all you sexy beasts with, what the fuck Japan?
자, これで落ちればおお今自らの意思でブロックに持っていった。まあ確かに足を殺しておけば、まあこの後のシヒコの6次元殺法というものを封じることができます。
総合系の技もね封じることできますからね。
さあやっぱりいいですね。チャンピオン非常にいい攻撃がついています。これケンさんやはり前回ね。もう一度捕まえて今度はハンマースロー。走ることができません。足殺しが効いてますねこれ。
効いてますね。
さあならば体格差。
足で来てる。